Last summer, after the end of the school year, Eddie visited his father's sawmill to go hunting. He took a bus to Lumery before boarding a sailboat in Abra de Ilog and met Inong at the pier.
Everything is ready, including the logs, and is already inside the truck.
Okay, good. Let's wait for AD to arrive, then let's go. Eno! Oh, AD, how are you? I'm fine, Eno. Have you been waiting long? No, the workers are just sit- sitting, sitting at the I'm ready to go. Okay, thank you for waiting, Eno. No worries, AD. So let's go now. Mama is waiting for you at the canteen showman.
Good morning, Dad. How are you, son? I'm fine. Oh, that's great. Give me your things. I'll put them inside. Oh, thank you, Dad. I was the assistant. Ray always to guide you. Okay, now what today? The workers were arranging a fresh loads. A logs had arrived from the interior and preparing them for storage. Okay, I see. Idi, I have something to attend to. See you at lunchtime. Okay, see you then.
Are you Rustico?
No, I'm Ray Olbes.
I'm Eddie. My father sent me.
Your father told me you wanted to go hunting.
Yeah,
Tomorrow is Sunday. Would you like to hunt tomorrow?
yes, we can hunt tomorrow. It's hot here. Do you always stay here after work?
No, not always.
Have you seen Rustico?
No, no.
Ina?
Dida, this is Eddie, son of the boss. He's a hunter too.
Okay.
Go home, Dida!
I was looking for you, Rustico.
Why you don't keep away from me? You have found fertile canine? Why you don't start hunting? You insolent son of a bitch. Get ready.
I did not bring birdshot.
I thought you wanted to go after a deer.
Now, this morning, deer is only hunted at night.
Why not? We're not searching for a ghost.
Alright, you're the guide. Let's go.
Here's your deer, near the base of that tree, with a dead branch. Shoot through that. Do not move until I tell you to do so. Now! Your aim was too high, but you got him. You got your deer. Let's turn back.
Okay, let's go.
I'll try to do this alone. Now you learn. This used to be deer country.
You know this part very well, don't you?
I grew up here. I was a logger for your father before I became a sawyer. It is the sawmill. It is the sawmill that opened the forest. The sawmill has tamed the jungle miles around, but I do not think they can tame the forest unless they can discover the seeds of the wilderness and destroy it. This place is not done yet.
Don't you like your job in the sawmill?
I do not complain. You do not have to tell your father. But Rustico is making stay very trying. You saw what happened yesterday?
Yes. What made him so mad?
You know why? Because his wife is pregnant.
Dida. So?
He's impotent.
And he suspects you?
He knows. Dida told him.
Why doesn't he leave her then?
He wouldn't. He'd chain Dida to keep her.
That is Rustico's hat.
I want you to drop that baby!
Let me go!
I'll kill you!
Do it then!
Good morning, sir!
Thank you. Thank you.
Manong Pepe,
Yes.
I want to go to town. I'll be back this afternoon or maybe tomorrow morning.
Sure. Enong is driving to the number of the pier. You go with him.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, Mang Pepe.
Good afternoon.
Stay ready to take charge of Sawmill today. Rustico is going to town. We finish this batch. Anyolo arriving this afternoon.
But Gray left early this morning. He said he will be back tomorrow morning.
What? Why didn't he tell me? Why is everybody so anxious go to town?
Because you were still asleep when he left.
These beggars was going to hold up shipment this week. Edie! Yes, Dad? Look for Rustico and tell him he cannot leave until Ray returns.
Okay, Dad. My father said he is sorry, but you cannot leave until Ray's come back from the town. It's okay. I have plenty of time. Plenty of time. Okay, I'll just tell my father. You're Ray's friend, right? Yes. So, what has he been about? Nothing much. Why? Nothing much? He told you about my wife, didn't he? Now, you have to change.
Theme. It is a perceptive story of jealousy and how it results in tragedy. The story Death in a Sawmill shows us how different actions without heed for their consequences can end up in tragedy. Although moral judgment will pinpoint the blame to Rustico for committing the crime, there still remains the question as to how a man can be driven by circumstances to become a murderer. In the story, the combined act of Diaz's adultery and Ray's contempt had a profound effect on Rustico. In a situation such as this, the fault never really lies in just one person alone.
I know is not in her. She's a